Today I will show you few tips on how to fill the data in the blank cells and how to fill or copy your formulas or text throughout the number of cells in a one shot. While working with larger data set, if we use this tip, it will be very useful and it will be very faster for filling the formulas or text. Now I am using that. The option is Ctrl Enter. I will show you how to use that in an efficient manner. Hello everyone, I am Reddy. Welcome to my channel Reddy Excellent. Let's go into the video. Today I will show you how to use the option Ctrl Enter for filling the cells. Here in first example, here some data is there. Here in between some blanks are there. Here I want to fill the top whatever is there. I want to fill it here like this. If you do it manually, it takes so much of time. For that, I will tell you a trick. Follow this. At the beginning, I have to select all the non-blank cells. For that, I am using option called Ctrl G or F5. First select the data range, press F5 or Ctrl G. Special, here special is there. Special, select blanks and OK. Now all the blank cells have been selected. Now in any one cell, I have to put a formula by referring the above cell. Here I am pressing D4 and D5. Now I am pressing Ctrl Enter. Very simple. All the blank cells have been filled with the above data. In another example, I will show how to fill the data or formula throughout our selection. Let me go to another data. Here, for example, this data is not available. Okay. Now I want to fill this commission and the TDS formulas here. Normally what we will do, we have to type individual formula and drag and drop will do it. Instead, select the entire range, type the formula in the first cell or anywhere, just press Ctrl Enter. Fills the formula everywhere. The same way, if you want to fill some same text in some few cells, select the data range and just type whatever is the requirement and just press Ctrl Enter. It fills all the data, all the cells whatever you have selected. See, some formulas are here, so it's showing error value here. Now I have to fill some TDS percentage here. Now the cursor is, for example, in the I6. Here also I can start writing formula. I can fill entire range. Some 0.5%. 5% I have to take as TDS. Just press Ctrl Enter. This can be done not only in the continuous cells, can do in non-continuous cells also. For example, here I have selected some different ranges cells. They are not in continuous. Here also, if I put some formula or some text and press Ctrl Enter, it fills all your selection. One thing we have to remember while using Ctrl Enter is this third point. It copies only the content, nothing else. For example, like formatting or if you have put something else, that will not copy to the other cells. Due to this region, it fills the data very quickly. For example, if we have this data, for example, some 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or 10 or 8 lakhs records are there. In normal scenario, if you copy and paste like this, it copies the formula as well as the formatting also. Due to that reason, it takes so much of time if you have larger data. In that scenario, if you use by using Ctrl Enter, I'll show here in another cell. The first cell I am typing some formula, some 10 times. I'm just pressing Ctrl Enter. Let me format the first cell and select the range. This into some times. Press Ctrl Enter. Here the first one alone I have formatted to 2 digits, but the formatting is not copied to the other cells. Well, while working with a larger database, first you have to fill the formula or data, and individually you do a different step for formatting. With these steps, you can fill the formulas or text in a very quickly manner while using a larger data set. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.